Still coughing.
Yeah. And right now still the same problem.
Still coughing.
Yes. Getting worse because we just got back from the snowy mountain last week.
That's right. Yeah, you went to the snow.
Yeah.
Cute. You need your biscuit. You're a good boy, aren't you? Okay, when he coughs, does he vomit? When he's coughing?
Does he what?
Does he bring up any flame, or does he vomit?
Not really, but it's like it sounds that there's a liquid. Yeah.
Let's listen to his chest now. Okay.
Buka mah.
Okay, let's have a look. Don't strangle him. Okay, got it closed up and closed. How do you enjoy the snow?
Yeah.
Was it plenty of snow there? Was it raining or snowing when you were there?
It was snowing when we were there. Yeah.
The worst experience is to go there and it's raining. It's terrible, miserable.
And 2 days ago, there's a red spot also. After the liquid in from his nose.
So
yeah,
much.
there's I don't know, probably blood or something.
Good boy. Very good boy, aren't you?
Ketawa.
Okay. Saya Let's see the temperature is. Okay. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Yeah.
Temperature's alright.
Zero. Hey. Yeah.
Okay. Got a bit of fluid in his ears at the moment. I think the cold dragging on for so long is allowing that to happen. Look inside his mouth. Hold his head.
Oh.